taking lesson on the spot. Okay. So first of all, geometry shapes. I have written here our today's lesson. मैंने आज का हमारा लेसन का नाम यहाँ पे लिखा है Let's handle geometrical shapes. So in day-to-day life we see so many shapes. Okay. Before our first lecture we have seen so many shapes in triangle, rectangle, square. So many shapes we have studied, and we have studied spelling of that shapes also. So see here is the first shape. First shape is cuboid. What we call this shape? Cuboid. You can see our compass shape is cuboid. See? Can you understand? Cuboid has, see here, cuboid has, I will show you, cuboid has 12 vertices. Means 1, see here, I will show you here. 1, 2, 3, these are vertices. Okay, these are vertices. We can see here, in this lesson we will study more about geometrical shapes. First of all, cuboid. Any object shapes like a brick is called cuboid. See, it is like a brick. It's called cuboid. Cuboid has 12 edges. How many edges have cuboid? 12 edges. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. We can count edges here. Okay, we can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12. Here is 12 edges for cuboid. Our second shape is cone. The shape like a round cap, like it's called cone. You can see the shape of cone. Cone has one basis and one corner. We can call its corner vertex. Cone has one vertex and its basis. We can call its base curved edges. It's a curve. It is a round shape. So we can call its base. We can call curved shape. What we call curved shape. For example, this shape is like its base shape is curved. So we can call this shape curved shape. Our third shape is the shape like a ball is called sphere. Have you seen ball? We daily plays with football or small tennis ball or cricket. We play many games. So we while playing this game we use ball. So what is the shape of ball? Sphere. Sphere means it is a full round shape. It has no end. That's why we can call it sphere shape. Our last shape is the bottle-like. A bottle-like shape with a circular base is called cylinder or circular prism. For example, you can see the shape of this powder. You can see this shape is which shape is? Yeah, it is a cylinder shape. Cylinder shape has round curved sides. It has curved sides and it has two faces. It's curved faces, means first face and second face. It's at two bases. We can call these bases curved faces. Understand? Now, our next point is know more about our shape. You can see this shape is like a. Can you understand which is shape? Its shape is like a cube. Means cuboid. See here. Its shape is a cuboid. See, it has so many vertices and so many edges. Just like it has 12 edges. Its cube shape has 12 edges. Just like 1, 2, 3. These are the vertices. Means these are the corners. How many vertices or corners on the cone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 vertices or we can call corner also. In geometrical sentence we will use vertex. Okay. It's the cube shape and it has 8 vertices. Understand? It has 8 vertex means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it has 12 edges. Edges mean these sides. We can call these sides edges. This side is edges. For example, these are edges. A-D-G, edge means side. And it is a, we can call this side vertex. Means we can call in your day-to-day life we call corners means vertex. So this cube shape has how many vertex? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertex. And how many edges are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges. You can call edges 3 sides. See here from how many faces to the cube shape? 1, 2, 3 means front shape and back shape. Like right shape and left shape means there has so many sides and so many vertices. We can call its cube shape. Here I have drawn so many shapes and I have written here names of that shapes. First of all, we will study about our cube shape means cuboid. We can call cuboid parallelepiped. Okay, parallelepiped. So it has how many vertex? I have told you 8 vertex. How many vertex? 8 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and other that we cannot, that hidden side 8. So our second shape is cone. Cone has 1 vertex means 1 corner. 1 and it is another curved edge. We can call its face, what we can call curved shape. It is a curved edges. Our third is cylinder or circular prism. Our third shape is cylinder or circular prism. See here, its powder bottle is look like a cylinder shape. See here, it has 2 sides. It has 2 curved sides. It has 2 curved sides. Face, it has bottom, it has face side, front side. So, see here is our first shape is ball. Our first shape is ball. So, can you tell me what we can call its shape? I have written here is a ball. It is a ball. You can see it shapes like a ball. Okay. So we will match the pair. First of all, we will match the pair. See here, match the pair. Our first shape is ball. So which shape we can match? Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. We can call this shape with sphere. We can call it shape sphere. Our second shape is box. It is like a box. We can put our all important things in a box. We can put money in the box also. So can you see it box? So can you tell me which names we can match with the box? Cuboid. Say U-D-O-I-D. Cuboid. We can match this box with the cuboid. Our third shape is a cone. We can use its cone shape with ice cream cone. Where we eat ice cream? The ice cream cone. Everyone like ice cream cone ना? सबको ice cream बहुत अच्छा लगता है. In summer we always eat ice cream, but now don't eat ice cream because of corona. Okay? So you can see this ice cream cone with cone. We can match this cone shape with a CONE cone name. Our fourth shape is cylinder. Just like this bottle. This shape is like a bottle. This bottle. So what we can call it? We can call it cylinder shape. cylinder. Cylinder. We can call it shape. Cylinder shape. So now tell me how many what is edges and corners. We will study our next point, edges and corners. So first of all, here is given one picture of cube. So tell me how many edges does it have? I have told you what is meaning of edges. This side we can call edges. How many edges are this cube side? Can you tell me? So okay, I will tell you. Here is 12 edges. How many edges is there? 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. देखो, can you count this? Okay, count at your home. Here has 6 faces. Here has 6 faces. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces here? Just like here. How many faces is this box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There is 6 faces to his cube box. Okay, understand? Now second, how many edges and corners does it have? Can you understand which is shape like this? This is a cylinder shape. It is a cylinder shape. How many corners it has? It has no corner. This shape has no corner because what we call it has corner just like this. No, it has no corner. Our third shape is edges just like this. It is the shape like a cone. So how many edges and corner does an ice cream cone have? How many edges and corners? How many corners it has? It has one corner. It has one corner. And how many edges? One edges. Means this side. How many edges? Curved side. This circular shape. It is in a circular shape. See here. It is in a circular shape. So next point is you can see book. Can you see book? How many edges it book has? How many edges it book has? Can you tell me? How many edges? See here, we will study about this. It has 6 bases. It has 6 bases. Means first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It has 6 bases. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It has 6 faces. And how many spaces? How many sides it has? Can you tell me how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many sides is there? 6 faces and 6 sides. Now second figure is popcorn cone. So first point is how many edges and how many corners popcorn have? Here has one edges, means curved edge. It is a circular shape. It has one corner. It has one corner. It's just like this. This is a corner. It has one corner. It has one curved shape, curved face. It is a sail. We use these sails in batteries also in our clock. Okay, understand? Where we can see time in clock, which is hang on the wall. So how it's clock running with the help of sail. All of you can see sail now. So just like this is a picture of sail. How many edges and corners it has? It has 2 sides, 1 and 2 base. Here is one base. Here is second base. Means these are circular. These are curved faces. It is a curved bases. Its shape is like a cylinder. It shapes like a cylinder. And our last figure is football. Our last figure is football. Is it has edges and corners? No, it has no edges and no corner. It is like a sphere. It is like a sphere. Lastly, we will study. See here. We will play one game. See here. Now we will play game. Here is answer. I will ask you questions. See here. What is the shape of this? What is the shape of this? Can you tell me? It is a. Its answer is B. B means it is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. Now, my second question is, what is the shape of this? What is shape of this? It is a cylinder? No. Is it cube? It is cuboid. It is square. Which shape is this? We will see. It is a B point. Means it is a cube. It is a cube. Our third figure is, which shape is this? Is it round? It is circle. It is cylinder. It is cube. Which shape is this? Its shape is B. Circle. This shape is circle. Now our next shape is, can you see this? What is this? Is it? See? It is a rectangle, right angle. Which shape is this? It is a third one. It is a triangle. It is a triangle. Now, what is this? Can you understand this? Which angle is this? This angle is rectangle. This is a rectangle. Now, can you see this? Can you see this figure? Is this cube? Is this triangle? Yeah, is this sphere? It is a cube shape. It is a cube shape. We can understand. We can check our answer here. Means D number means it is a cone shape. Or our last shape is a circle. Our last shape is a circle. And the circle has half length. What we can call it? We can call it, see here, we can call it radius. We can call it radius. Now, student, we have studied more about geometrical shapes. Now, I will ask you some question in your homework and you will give questions answer to me. Okay. Now, tell me how you think about my lecture. और अपने मम्मी पापा को बताना है घर पे जो आपने स्टडी किया और अपना होमवर्क मुझे सेंड करना है. I will check your homework in next month when our school will open. Okay? So no more mobile, no more TV. So do study regularly, all of you. Okay?